Guys, so we had to abort mission. There are a lot of mosquitoes out there, I'm telling you. I was not prepared for that. Whew, child. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am on another adventure, and I'm here with doing a collab with Relaxing in Nature Jamaica.
Hello guys.
Guys, he's shy, I guess. This is my second collab, and I wonder what we will be doing tonight. Well, I know you already know because you see the title down below, so you know what type of night it is. This is my first time actually going crab hunting. I don't know if this is going to be an epic fail for us, but yeah, we're about to catch some crab. Are you ready?
Of course I'm ready.
Is this your first time?
Second time.
Second time?
Yeah.
All right, tell me what to expect. I've had crab to eat, but I've never caught any before.
Well, I only expect to catch some crab.
I'm
confident that I am going to catch some crab.
All right, we need to do a bet. Who catches the most crab?
You want a bet?
Yeah, so we have Team Beautiful Escape XOXO, and we have Team Relaxing in Nature Jamaica. So, let's see who catches the most crab. All right.
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like my video, comment in the comment section to interact with us. Tell me if you like this video, and remember to share, and don't forget to hit that bell to turn your post notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. All right, stay locked for what's next to come, because I will be catching all the crabs. Well, that don't even sound right. No.
That came out right.
Crabs to eat, guys. So guys, I have all the essentials that we need for crab hunting. Well, Mario here brought them because, as I said, I've never been crab hunting before, so I didn't really know what I needed except the attire. So we have some gloves, and we have our bucket where we're going to put the crab in when we catch them, okay? And I have a little ratchet knife here. I don't know what this is for, maybe protection. Because we're out here, I mean, it's dark as heck, and we're in the middle of nowhere pretty much. All right, so I'm just going to get suited, and then I will show you what we are about to do, right?
All right.
This is like a stakeout.
Oh, sorry for the dark background. All right.
Yeah, that's better. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put on my gloves, and then we're gonna get this ball rolling.
All right, stay tuned.
So this is my gloves, guys. I can't even open this car with my gloves on.
Everything is okay with you?
Yeah, I'm good. All right, guys, so we are out here. We have some crab holes. As you can see, there are a lot of mosquitoes though. Woo! Ciao. a lot of holes here, but no crabs. You have to be very flexible. This is some adventure, my goodness. This is my first night adventure, guys. Huh? What type of nest is this? Oh.
Oh, this is a ducker.
Yeah. Ooh. Wait, are we going in a mangrove? Yeah, because guys, we're aborting mission. Aborted mission. Where? We have to go back where we came from. We have to go back. Where? No, there's a lot of sticks there. I'm surely going back where I came from. I think I can manage that more. Oh. Are you okay back there? Okay. So guys, we are aborting this mission. Well, we're gonna go on the road and see if we catch any, because there are too many shrubs and bushes, and that's a mangrove. I don't want crocodile to eat me. Mosquitoes killing you. I can help myself. Yeah, he went under. Yeah. Oh my god, we just missed one. Do you think you can get it? Oh, guys, we just missed one.
The right time, you know, because they can see the mangrove over there,
Yeah.
and I think most of them are supposed to flood. Come out. Mosquito them bad.
That's the only issue right now, the mosquitoes.
Yeah. So we're going up on this side, and we're come down, reach up on the next side. No more. No.
Guys, I don't know if this is going to be a success crab hunting because there are a lot of mosquitoes. So we definitely might need to abort this mission. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we haven't caught not even one crab so far.
Yeah, we out here like 10 minutes.
I don't know if these crabs have some special time that they come out or what. And these mosquitoes are blood hungry. Oh my goodness.
We're going on the next side of the road.
So we're switching sides. Guys, so we had to abort mission. There are a lot of mosquitoes out there. I'm telling you, I was not prepared for that. Whew, child. It's still, we haven't caught any crab, but it's still a fun experience for me. The fact that I haven't done it before gives me like a little adrenaline rush, and I'm very excited, you know, to be doing something like this for the first time. Right now I'm just drinking some coconut water and waiting in the car. We're going to find another location and see if we get any. Guys, it's such a huge disappointment. You can see our faces, not so happy. We had to abort mission. Abort. There was, as I was telling you guys before, there were a lot of mosquitoes, and I don't know if we went to the wrong place or it's just the wrong time, but there was no crab. We didn't catch not one single crab. We saw like 3 crabs, and they were in their home, in their hotel, like you say, in their hotel, and as soon as they hear us, they just disappear. So it was a fun night nonetheless, but I'm just disappointed that we didn't get to, or you guys didn't get to see us catching any crabs. You have anything to say?
Nothing to say at this time.
It was an epic fail. We're gonna have to try this again. But I am glad we get to do this collab together. I would definitely like to do another one.
Yes, I have a lot of adventure coming up.
Okay. So next time, instead of me inviting you, you can invite me on one of your adventure, all right?
Right.
Okay, all right, guys. Well, this is the end of this vlog, and thank you guys always for supporting my channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Remember to like, share, comment, and turn your post notifications on. I will leave Mario's YouTube link in the description below so you can check out his channel. It is
Relaxing in Nature Jamaica.
Relaxing in Nature Jamaica, guys. Go ahead and follow him, subscribe, share, and like his videos as well. Thank you guys again, and you will see me in my next video.
Bye.